Now we are on part 46 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. To grasp the concept of SEO, particularly keyword research, it's important to broaden your research to include several keywords rather than just a couple. Our goal is to create a spreadsheet containing potential keywords for SEO optimization. Therefore, I suggest starting with a theme, and in this case, our theme is centered around pizza recipes. So our chosen theme is pizza recipes, and one of the keywords we selected within the theme is pizza recipe. The closely related variation of this keyword is pizza recipes. The search volume for pizza recipes is 33,100. As for the competition, when we search for pizza recipes, the number of competing pages was 683,000. Moving on to the next keyword, it is homemade pizza dough recipes. If we revisit the specific keyword homemade pizza dough recipes, we find that it has a search volume of 2,400. So I will put 2,400 in the volume column. Regarding the competition, when I entered the keyword, the number of competing pages was 2,160. Hence, I will record 2,160 as the competition. By completing this process for various keywords, you will obtain an understanding of their respective volumes and competition levels. When analyzing multiple keywords, it is crucial to select a relevant keyword that has a high volume and low competition. In other words, we can assess the ratio between volume and competition to determine the keyword's potential. By dividing the volume by competition and expressing it as a percentage, we can evaluate this ratio. For example, in the case of the shorter keyword, the ratio between volume and competition is 0.35%. Similarly, for the longer tail keyword, dividing 2,400 by 2,160 yields a ratio of approximately 111. This analysis serves as evidence that although there will still be some search volume for the shorter keyword, the likelihood of achieving a higher ranking increases significantly with the longer tail keyword homemade pizza dough recipes. It emphasizes the importance of conducting this evaluation for multiple keywords within your chosen theme, in this case, pizza recipes. By examining the volume, competition, and ratio between volume and competition, you can make informed decisions regarding keyword optimization. When selecting keywords, it is crucial to choose ones that are highly relevant to the content you are creating. Additionally, consider the concept of commercial intent, which involves identifying keywords that are likely to drive conversions and generate revenue for the business. In other words, you want to choose keywords that motivate users to take desired actions. For instance, an example of such a keyword could be download pizza dough recipes. If someone searches for the keyword download pizza dough recipes, it is highly probable that they will discover your website, visit it, and take the desired action of downloading the pizza dough recipe. It is important to consider the intent behind keywords and determine if they have the potential to drive conversions and generate revenue, especially for e-commerce sites. Search volume refers to the average monthly frequency of searches made for a specific keyword or phrase. To obtain this number, one can utilize Google's Keyword Planner tool within the Google Ads platform. Our goal is to target keywords with a high search volume that can drive significant traffic to the website. However, it is essential to consider seasonality, as search trends can vary throughout the year. This is where Google's Keyword Planner tool becomes useful. By utilizing this tool, we can analyze keyword trends and identify any specific patterns or seasonality trends by hovering over the data. This information enables us to make informed decisions about keyword selection and adjust our strategies accordingly. If there is a substantial surge in search volume during the winter months and minimal growth during the summer months, it suggests that the keyword is more popular during winter time. It is crucial to carefully examine the graphs provided by the Keyword Planner tool and leverage them to your advantage in order to account for seasonality. A prime example would be the keyword funny Halloween costumes. We can anticipate a surge in search volume for this keyword starting from late September through October, followed by a decline after Halloween on October 31st. This is a clear illustration of seasonality. In contrast, when examining the keyword pizza recipes, it is possible to discover that more people tend to search for pizza recipes during the summer months rather than winter months. It is important to consider seasonality as it has a direct impact on search volume. Additionally, based on our example, competition is one of the key metrics to focus on. It is important to avoid highly competitive keywords, as ranking number 1 or even on the first page of Google can become challenging and depending on the level of competition. The ideal combination is to target keywords with high search volume and low competition, effectively balancing the ratio between the two. When referring to the spreadsheet, it is recommended to have it readily accessible. Start by establishing the theme, which is in this case pizza recipes. Utilize Google's Keyword Planner tool to determine the search volume for each keyword. To assess competition, employ the all in title syntax. Enter both the volume and competition numbers in the spreadsheet and calculate the ratio. It is important to note that while aiming for a high volume and low competition ratio, relevance should always take precedence. Choose keywords that are highly relevant to your content, as relevance is the key in achieving successful optimization. Avoid selecting irrelevant keywords as they will have a negative impact on user engagement. The difficulty of a keyword can be measured on a scale of 0 to 100 using Google's keyword tool, indicating whether it's an easy, medium, or hard to rank for. Alongside this assessment, I recommend considering the numerical factor of competition using the all-in title syntax. Remember that relevancy is a key driver of traffic to your website and plays a crucial role in retaining that traffic. Not only should relevancy keep visitors engaged on your website, but it should also encourage them to actively participate and convert. The crucial aspect to remember is the significance of relevancy when selecting keywords for your content. Even it means sacrificing some search volume, prioritize relevancy over volume and competition. By choosing relevant keywords, you increase the likelihood of someone discovering your content since there is likely to be an audience searching for it. This in turn leads to better engagement and interaction with your content. To effectively drive the traffic to your website, it is essential to have a clear understanding of your business. Identify keywords that are directly relevant to your specific business and concentrate on optimizing for those keywords. It is crucial to always keep in mind that the concept of commercial intent, which involves selecting keywords that are more specific and likely to result in higher conversion rate. For instance, keywords that indicate buying intent, such as buy or related terms, are particularly valuable if your goal is to attract visitors who are ready to make a purchase. By focusing on these types of keywords, you increase the chances of attracting visitors who are more likely to convert into customers. In the case of pizza recipes, the keyword download could serve as a commercial intent keyword. While it may have lower search volume, it is a type of keyword that can drive the desired traffic to your website. Similarly, other examples of commercial intent keywords include terms like discount, deal, coupon, and shipping. These keywords indicate a specific intention to make a purchase or seek promotional offers. By targeting such commercial intent keywords, you can attract visitors who are more likely to engage with your website and convert into customers. It is important not to hesitate in using these commercial intent keywords as part of your longer tail keyword phrases. Although the search volume may not be high for these specific terms, the traffic quality they generate is likely to be better. Keyword research serves as a foundation for effective SEO. By selecting your keyword wisely, if you manage to achieve higher rankings for those keywords, it will result in improved engagement and increased conversions. Remember, it is the quality of traffic that matters more than sheer volume when it comes to driving successful outcomes for your website. When discussing keywords, it is essential to consider both primary and secondary keywords. Each web page should ideally target at least one primary keyword along with a secondary supporting keyword. The primary keyword serves to define the main focus and the theme of the content, while secondary keywords are related and relevant to the primary keyword. Together, these keywords help structure and optimize the content for better search engine results. The reason for selecting both a primary and secondary keyword is to increase the chances of ranking for relevant terms. While the primary keyword may be directly relevant to the content but may not have high search volume or ranking potential, the secondary keyword serves as an additional opportunity. The secondary keyword should be relevant to both the primary keyword and the content, and there is a possibility of ranking well for it. By targeting two keywords instead of just one, you provide yourself with a better opportunity to rank for multiple relevant terms, expanding your visibility and attracting a broader range of potential visitors. In a web page, there is typically only one primary keyword, which is directly relevant to the content. However, there can be multiple secondary keywords. These secondary keywords should not only be related to the primary keyword, but also to the content itself. Having multiple secondary keywords provides a greater opportunity to be discovered through various search queries. By incorporating both primary and secondary keywords, you increase the chances of your web page being found and ranked higher in search results, thus improving its visibility and attracting relevant traffic. And that ends the part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 47.